Hey guys, welcome to my first video ever of doing the 30-day upload challenge. Today we're going to be reacting to a car chase. So, yeah, let's just get into it. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow the TikTok if you will. It'll be very appreciated, thank you. But yeah, so I hope y'all have a good day, and I promise I'm going to upload a lot more. Each day I'm gonna try to upload at least 1 to 2 videos a day at least. But yeah, let's just get into it. 140-mile-per-hour police chase in Georgia with the pit maneuver.
7981, SGP 7981. Call me 57.
BMW 528i. But why? Why run?
Go ahead,
Oh shit.
288, so she just took off. Black BMW.
Because of the fucking ace, the fucking RC program. Sipping on that Dr. P soda. They're fucking flying, bro. Uh,
Pit.
y'all are fucking retarded, bro. Oh, what?
Alright, she came out of the pit. We back on 57.
So there's one pit maneuver. That's one. The thing that I don't understand is why run from the fucking cops? I mean, like he's putting a belt to ass right now, but like just why? I I don't fucking know. What did he even get pulled over for? Hold on. Excuse me. What? I guess just a month. Oh, multiple active warrants. Oh shit, there's another cop that just spawned. What the fuck? Probably don't even give a crap what I'm eating, but it's a Subway sandwich. It is Italian or wood. We got the fucking motherfucking pickles, and it is honey mustard. Telling y'all, bro, I'm telling y'all, that shit is gas. Telling y'all. Okay, with that bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Telling y'all, Georgia State
Imagine
Police.
being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Whoa, what the fuck? But I'm telling y'all,
Officials in Arkansas.
Shut up! Telling y'all, bro, I'm telling y'all. Georgia State Police does not fuck around, bro. They don't. God damn. But anyways, that's the video. I know it was kind of like meh, but yeah, it's meh. I will be recording possibly another reaction video, maybe, but definitely want to play some games. On my TikTok, some people's been recommending me the new Assassin's Creed excuse me, remastered, 2K, Red Dead Redemption, Mecha Chameleon. So, yeah. So I'll see y'all and see what I play.